So we're going to try out the DVD drive, because I don't have a floppy drive for the BIOS update. I'm going to have to do it from the CD. Done. Starting Windows 95. Extra volume. Weird. There's the chip, the SST, something. Just shuts that off. It's weird how you have to turn off quiet boot just for it to boot from the hard drive. It's really weird. It only does this when you first enable it. I tried Windows 98, but did the same thing as the Inspiron 2650. Got the default theme. On the internet now. Not doing sound right now. So I got the wireless card to work. Windows did not want to connect to the network. Boingo does. I used that on 2000 also. Remember the days when YouTube used to look like this? Yep, latest version still works. Wear level's more like 80%. It doesn't last long. Sounds just as good as desktop speakers, in my opinion. Sounds really good. Sounds good. Battery not charging? Nice. We're back, and the SSD adapter thing isn't going to fit. That plastic's in the way. Enter key works. The screen looks great. Yeah, it's not yellowed at all. As you can see, it looks really good. Trackpad doesn't work yet. I really want... I'm going to run XP on here on another drive. Just trying this out. Should work. This is a black Windows 10 background. It's white for some reason. That's really weird. Now look at the Windows key at the top. I really don't like that. Let's restart. Nope. Same thing happened with the Dell Inspiron 2650. Will we get a crash?